Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming permission and getting account access. This matters legally and ethically. Once you have credentials, open Find My on iPhone or Google Family Link on Android. Sign in with the linked account. Make sure location services are on, cellular or Wi-Fi is active, and battery saver is off so the device reports. You act now, set location sharing if prompted, and allow any required permissions. This first set of steps gets the phone visible on a map, so you can proceed. Once done, view the map and check the timestamp and the accuracy circle. This tells you how reliable the location is. If the device shows a precise dot, tap it for address, battery level, and options such as play sound or get directions. Use sound if you're nearby. If the circle is large, make sure the phone has Wi-Fi or GPS enabled and refresh. Also consider recent movement and whether the last reported location is indoors versus outdoors, because that changes how you approach. You now act. Use directions to navigate to the shown location, and call or message the phone so the person knows you're coming. If the device is offline, rely on the last known location and enable alerts to notify you when it reconnects. Make sure to prioritize safety. Avoid confronting anyone in a risky situation. Contact authorities if you believe someone is in danger. If things go wrong, first verify account sign-in and location permissions on both ends. Then check battery and network before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.